Beyond the usual offenders like garlic and onions, foods like red meat, fish and spices can cause a stink effect as well. Ever notice how spicy or pungent foods can make your body smell? Well, strong? You probably can guess that an order of garlic bread or a bowl of onion soup will affect your breath. But did you know that other foods in your diet may impact your body's odor too? You may know that sweat is tied to body odor, but there's a reason why you'll often get a stronger whiff of something coming from your underarms and groin area. That's because your apocrine sweat glands, which are connected to your hair follicles, are responsible for spots like armpits. When the perspiration from these glands mixes in with bacteria on your skin's surface, that's where the scent comes from. And this odor can be magnified or affected depending on what you eat. Whether it's from spicy foods that make you sweat more or sulfur-rich foods, like garlic being carried through your sweat. Gastroenterologist Christine Lee, MD, explains this phenomenon, as well as the different types of foods and how they impact your odor after eating them. What foods affect my body odor? Essentially, the foods that will impact your body odor the most are the ones that are high in sulfuric acid. Here are the foods that can cause a change to your scent, and spices. Spices like curry, cumin, and fenugreek can pack a punch when they attach to your tongue and teeth. Not only can these spices linger for hours on your breath, but they can also stick to your hair, skin, and clothes. These spices also contain volatile compounds that can be absorbed into your bloodstream and released through your sweat glands, leading to a distinct odor. Garlic and onion. Binding to your mouth, these plant cousins are well-known sources of bad breath. For some people, they can also boost metabolism, body heat, and sweat. Dr. Lee explains that this can cause the bacteria on your skin to mingle with sweat that you secrete through your apocrine glands, leading to a buildup of unpleasant odor. Red meat. If you're a fan of steak dinners, this is another body odor source to know about. When you eat red meat, it can release odorless proteins through perspiration. But when these proteins mingle with skin bacteria, their odor intensifies. Dr. Lee explains, cruciferous veggies. Your favorite nutritional veggies and sides may also be causing some unexpected odor. Cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, cabbage, Brussels sprouts, and cauliflower release sulfuric acid. This scent is intensified by sweat, breath, or gas.